Hello and welcome again. In today's lecture, we discuss about the transport protocol. What do you mean by transport protocol? The transport protocol is a protocol that is responsible for end-to-end delivery of the data. Here, A wants to establish a connection with the B. So it generated the invite request. Now A generated the invite request. Who is responsible for delivering this invite request to the B? This transport protocol is responsible for delivering the data to the B part. So basically, there are two types of transport protocol we are using. One is called UDP, another is called as TCP. The UDP, we called it as connectionless protocol. The TCP, we called it connection-oriented protocol. What do you mean by connectionless and what do you mean by connection-oriented? Connection-oriented means it establishes a connection with the other end before sending the request. Whereas the connectionless means sending request directly without establishing the connection. Let's understand this with an example here. Here, this phone send invite request using the transport protocol TCP. When this phone use the transport protocol TCP, so before it send this invite request, it first establish a connection with this phone. What we called three-way handshaking procedure. First it sent sync message to this phone, then it got sync plus ACK, and then this phone sent acknowledgement. So this is what we called three-way handshaking procedure. After the three-way handshaking procedure complete, then this phone sent this invite request to this phone. So that means it first established a connection with this phone, then it sent the data. So that is why we called it as connection oriented. Whereas in case of UDP, there is no three-way handshaking procedure or no established connection establishment before it's sending this invite request. It just directly sent this invite request to this phone. It does not know whether this phone is available or not. So that is what we call it as connectionless. In every phone, we have the option to choose whether we choose UDP, whether we choose TCP. So it is up to you. So what type of transport protocol you are using for sending your data. So that's it in this video. I hope you got some idea about the transport protocol. Thanks for watching the video.